Hello and welcome to another science lesson. Today we are focusing on movements of living things. Remember, in previous lessons we would have focused on living things and non-living things. However, we are looking at living things and how they move. So start thinking about it, start picturing it, and you may be able to state how a living animal or thing moves. Remember, parents, to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for your love and your support. Let's get into today's lesson. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, pupils would be able to list the movements of living things, demonstrate the movements of some living animals. Living things. Parents, please remember that we are starting writing the science note from this slide. Living things or animals move about in different ways. So students, can you tell me a way that you think or a way that you know an animal can move? For example, how does a frog move? Think about it and you tell me. How does a snake move? How does a dog move? Or a cat? Right. So we are focusing on the movements that animals use to get from one place to another. So we know that some living things can walk, slither, crawl, run, hop, or jump and fly. Alright, so what animal do you know that can walk? Yes, and a dog can walk. What animal do you know can slither? That's correct, a snake can slither. What animal do you know can crawl? That's correct. Some animals that can crawl are an alligator or a crocodile. What animal do you know can run? That's correct. A panther can run, a cheetah can run, a lion can run. Hop or jump. A frog can hop, a rabbit can hop, a kangaroo can hop. What are some animals that you know can fly, or an insect that can fly? A butterfly, a bat, a bird. All these things are animals and they are living things. And they can move from one place to another. Very good. So for the activity today, you are to research the movement of different animals and collect one picture of each animal for their movement. So parents, you are going to allow the child to identify additional examples of animals based on their movements. Even if it is that you don't get all the pictures, but you get one or two, that is not a problem. Just allow them to label the bottom of the picture and indicate the movement that that animal makes. So thanks again for tuning in. Thanks again for your love, your support. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel because each person needs one to get the learning done. See you again. Bye. This brings us to the end of today's science lesson. I thank you for your love, your care, and your support. Let's continue to work through this together and see you again for another science lesson. Bye.